here in Albuquerque, we get hit with a freaking snowstorm. We're supposed to get like anywhere from like 2 to 8 inches or some crazy crap. It's freaking awesome. You know, I freaking really am appreciating this town, this city. You know, I'm kind of like slightly on the outskirts of the, you know, main center of the city. I'm kind of on the northwest side, but this place is really just something else. I'm really digging it. But yeah, look at this. And this is gonna wreak havoc down here. They're not used to getting this kind of snow. And you know, just think about it. If this was, you know, rain, it'd be, you know, about ½ inch of rain. And this is supposed to be done within a few hours too. You can't even see the mountains over down the way. And they're only like, you know, they're right there. Happy ending. Oh, cool. I need to get my medical card here. But I'm telling you, if you're a foodie, good God, you need to come down here. This is like foodie freaking heaven down here. All sorts of great little places to check out. I really want to check out Whataburger. Yeah, I've been to Whataburger, In-N-Out, and try a Whataburger. But oh yeah, and today's a super snow moon. Which is pretty crazy. Oh, there's no such thing as astrology. You know, we're getting hit with Winter Storm Tetra. I think that's what it's called or something like that. But yeah, take care, be safe, be kind, stay strong, love you all, and yeah, maybe this is part of the magnetic pole shift. Peace.